Ordering fractions in the number line. We can put fractions on the number line in ascending order from left to right, the smallest in the leftmost position. Thus, if we consider the figure in the following shown on screen, it is clear that we get the figures shown in the following on screen. Because 1/3 is more on the left in the number line compared to the other two fractions, 7/12 is more on the right than the others. We have the following shown on screen. This rule is also true in the negative part of the number axis. Example. Order the following fractions from the biggest to the smallest using the number line. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. All the previous fractions are improper fractions of values between 0 and 2. Therefore, we can show only this part of the number axis in the following figure on screen. It is evident that 8/5 are more on the left of the other two fractions in the number axis, while 17/10 are more on the right. This means 17/10 is the biggest fraction in the list, while 8/5 the smallest. Therefore, when our fractions are written in the descending order, from the biggest to the smallest, we obtain the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 3.3.7. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.3.8, Applications of Fractions Comparison in Practice. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.